Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to show you something that I'm going to try. I'm not sure if I've got the right stuff, but just from other suggestions and from different videos I've seen, and then I kind of went off on my own and decided to buy something different. But I want to try to get this portion of my this big sticker that comes in my Diamond Art Club kits, and maybe other companies if they have something small enough, into a binder. Okay, so I bought this. I'll link down below which ones I purchased. I used somebody else's links what they had purchased, and I decided to do my own. I think they had purchased the three ring binder. I bought a let me look because I can't remember. I liked the color, so it took me a while to find one that I liked. All right, so this is a 6 ring, and I mistakenly thought I was buying 6 ring. I don't know if you're supposed to pull those off or not. I think, yeah, I'm going to pull the cardboard things off. I hope you're supposed to, because I am. I accidentally bought the 7 ring. So I bought a bunch of them. Because I have a lot of Diamond Art Club diamond paintings. I will have to buy another book, I'm sure. But I bought 200, and they are mini size. I believe I got the right size, 8.5 by 5.5, which this label is so worn off you can't read it. I don't know what that says, but I think they're the right size. I hope. It looks like it might be, so let me open this box and check. My paper cutter is down under my chair somewhere, so I can't get to it. So I'll just use scissors for now and pop it open, see what we got. They look like they might be too big. Holy cow, these are definitely too big. I thought 8.5 by 5.5 was the right size, but it's not. Or either that, or see, because that fits these perfectly. This whole thing fits in here perfect. Maybe I just got the wrong size notebook. So yeah, that will fit in here. You would just have to cut off the edge over here. I'm gonna go check and see what I did wrong, and I'll be back. Well, it's been a minute since I filmed that first section of this video, and as you can see, I am in a new location. I'm in my current location, which is my craft room, and I finally decided that I had a minute to show you the rest of this video. So the thing I bought originally was not the right size. It was just completely wrong. Even though it was beautiful and I love the color, it wasn't going to work. So I went out and I bought this binder. Well, I didn't go out. I got it on Amazon. Got this binder, which is the perfect size for the sticker pages. And I bought a pack of 100 of these inserts. So for now, since I have so many, I can just use the front. I don't have to use the back, but this is what I'm doing. These are 7 holds, but this is a 3-ring binder, and I just couldn't match it. I couldn't get a 3-ring binder and 3-ring hold sleeves, or a 7-hold binder with 7-hold sleeves that were gonna work for this size. So this is what I've been doing. I've been putting them in my sheets in this, and I don't have anything on the back, but as you can see, this one I've already finished. I did not update. I'm really bad at keeping track of when I started and ended the diamond paintings. Not same, but here's some that I've already put in. Here's one I finished. And because I don't know why, I didn't do it on this one because I started this when I was on vacation last year. But on this one, I took a copy of the sticker page for some reason. I think, yeah, it's got just in case. I don't know in case of what, but they're there. You know, it is on the canvas, but who knows what'll happen if I decide to frame it. If something gets lost, I just like to be safe, especially if it's a limited edition diamond painting. This is another one that I finished, and I finished it when I was on vacation. That's funny. I finished that. I don't know when I finished it. Never mind. And this is one I want to kit up. I haven't got around to it. And this doesn't have, I have to cut these out. So I'm thinking of just making a copy and cutting out those, because I just don't want to cut the sheet up. It's weird, I know. But, you know, I have other ones in here as well that are up and coming. But the thing about these size pages is the Diamond Art Club sheets don't exactly fit perfectly. But here's all the ones that I have been collecting to do before. And I have a ton more I haven't opened yet. So some of them I cut down already. But see, this size right here. And the great thing about this is if I want to rearrange them and put them in order of where they are in my actual journal, I can pull them out and do that. But you can see this is a book 17, page 19, page 23, but it's all same book. But that way I can keep track of things a little better. This is all the way back in book 9. And then, so I'm going to put this in here, but if I try to put it in there, it's not going to fit because it's too wide. So I just take my scissors and cut just the edge that's on this side. I go about halfway in before it reaches the stickers, and I'm not the best at straight cuts, so it's a little closer to the edge that I really wanted to do. And then it should fit in here just perfectly. There we go. Just like that. And so on and so forth. You know, the next one, I put them I stuck them in this little pocket in order. So, you know, that one was page 32 and this is page 33. So it's just, you know, I have a cutter. Actually, it's not over here, but I could just probably do it quicker by just sticking it into one of those and slicing it and making it go a little quicker. But it doesn't take too long, especially since I would put it in here after each box that I've opened, just to keep them safe and secure and I know where they are. I used to roll them. I used to put them in the bag with the drills and roll it, you know, around the drills when I put it, you know, in the bag, like I just said. But I've come across the ones that I've done that to over a year ago, and some of the stickers are starting to pop out, and so I need to go back through, pull them all out, and do something else, because I did that on the ones that I had to take them out of the boxes because I didn't have room for boxes back in my old place. So that's how I was keeping track of it, and then I knew what was in that bag of drills. So I'm just gonna have to put a label on the bags instead, so that I can keep track of where the drills are compared to the canvases, which I have hanging up. So that's basically it. I mean, it wasn't that expensive, and I mean, this isn't all of them. Maybe there was 200 in there. I just didn't want to mess with having that whole stack of them in here at once. I might actually, after this is filled, buy a second book and put the rest of them in that book, because it gets pretty heavy and thick once you put your papers in there. So I don't think it's going to be a good idea to use all of the ones I got in this one binder. See, this is one that I had already cut. So there we go. And that's about it. And if you have any questions, let me know. I don't remember what exactly I had said in the first half of this video until I go to edit. But I did get the idea from another YouTube channel when I was trying to figure out how to go about doing something with these. And I honestly do not remember who it was that I watched. And I don't know if this is how they did it, but if it is the same exact thing, I apologize. I would give the credit to the person if I could remember who I saw do it. But as I was saying, the first half of this video was done months ago, before I could even access my crafting room here. So thank you to whoever it was that had, mentioned or had suggested doing something like this, because, back when I first started out with Diamond Art Club, they didn't have sticker sheets. And so it wasn't something I needed to think about. But now that they are, it is something that comes with them, you deal with these kind of obstacles as they come along. And I know this one I've already finished as well. So as you can see, I didn't even use the stickers. I think because it was so small and there were only 10 colors, I didn't even need to do that. I don't think I even needed to kit it up, really. I don't remember. It's been a while since I finished it, and I did give it to my daughter. And now we're back to ones that need to be cut. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to me, and I'm trying to post more often. So if you want to see more of what I have to show you, or watch through some of the hundreds of videos I've already done, subscribe and maybe you'll like it. I would love it if you would subscribe. So thank you again for watching. Thank you for subscribing, everybody, and have a wonderful week. Have fun diamond painting, and don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.